Hello, I am Anna. Welcome to White Eagle. Today I tell you a story, a true story, a story about a day without my phone. My phone was new. I used it for everything, for music, for maps, for talking to friends. I loved my phone. It was always with me. Then one morning I woke up. I looked at my phone. Oh no, the screen was black. It did not start. Nothing worked. My phone was dead. Good morning, Anna. You look worried. Good morning, Elsa. My phone is broken. The screen is black. Oh no, did you try charging it? Nothing happens. It is dead. Maybe the battery is broken. Without my phone, I feel lost. I do not know what to do. My phone helps me. Now no phone. What can I do? Don't worry, Anna. We can go to the repair shop. Maybe they can fix it. The shop? Yes, the phone shop. Maybe they can help. Where is it? It is on Green Street, near the cafe. We can walk there. Walk there? Okay, let's go. Yes, let's go together. Wow, the bakery smells so good. Yes, fresh bread smells great. Usually I order food online. Now I see real bread here. Real bread. Yes, real bread is better than pictures on a phone. Yes, it looks warm and real. I like this. Look, Elsa, the bus is full. Many people. Yes, many people go to work. Full means no room. Too many people. Oh, I understand now. Full. No room. But wait, I see empty seats on this bus. Is it full? Sometimes words have more than one meaning. This bus has room. Let's sit here. Yes, this seat is good. Wow, the trees are so tall. So green. Yes, and the sky is so blue. We are here. Let's get off. Yes, let's go to the shop now. The sky is so blue. Yes, it is beautiful. I usually look down at my screen. Now I look up. Up is better. Much better. Yes, much better. I hear birds singing. Listen carefully. This is the real world. Many sounds. Many sights. Maybe this walk is not so bad. Yes, look around. You can enjoy life without your phone. The smell of coffee is strong and sweet. Do you want to stop? Yes, but I can't pay online. Your mobile is not working. Oh right. My phone is broken. I can't pay online. Don't worry. I have cash. Real money. Thank you, Elsa. Here you are. The coffee looks hot. Yes. Be careful. It is very hot. Bitter but smooth. Yes. Tastes strong but nice. Usually I drink coffee with my phone. Now it feels different. Different is good. Thank you. Have a nice day. That was nice. The street feels nice. Yes. Look around. There is a flower shop here. Wow, so many colors. Red, yellow, blue flowers. So pretty. You never noticed this shop before? No, because I always look at my phone. I look down. Yes. When we look at the phone, we miss many things. Colors make life rich. Rich means full of good things. Yes. They make life bright and happy. Look, the children are playing in the snow. They are so happy. Yes, they are so happy with simple things. A ball. Some snow. Maybe I can learn from them. Small things, big joy. Yes, I think I understand now. Small things, big joy. I like this sound. Yes, live music is soft and real. Not from a phone. Better than music on a phone. Feels alive. Look, Elsa. The river is so calm and beautiful. Yes, nature feels alive when we watch it carefully. Camping here looks so peaceful. Peaceful means quiet and calm. Yes, nature is calm and beautiful. Cooking here looks so much fun. Yes, it feels nice to enjoy food.